Hey there! Are you a Class 11 student thinking about diving deeper into mathematics, maybe even getting ready for Olympiads, IIT, or NEET? Let me introduce you to the Applied Mathematics Foundation course designed just for students like you who want to go beyond the basics and build real problem-solving skills. This course isn't just about memorizing formulas, it's structured to help you like a mathematician. We'll kick things off with conic sections, yes, those mysterious ellipses and parabolas you've heard about. You'll see how geometry meets the real world, from planetary orbits to satellite dishes. Next up, we tackle matrices and determinants. If you've ever wondered how engineers solve massive systems or how computer graphics work, this is your gateway. With step-by-step guides and tons of practice problems, you'll make sense of it all, no matter your starting point. We'll also crack the code of mathematical induction, one of the most powerful proof strategies in all of mathematics. You'll see how a single idea can unlock everything from sequences to advanced logic puzzles. And of course, we'll get hands-on with functions, the heart of modern math. Whether you're graphing, analyzing, or modeling real-life scenarios, you'll discover tools that'll stay with you for years. What really sets this course apart? It's filled with visual aids, historical notes, and real-world applications that make every topic come alive. Plus, each section ends with review exercises to lock in your understanding and sharpen your analytical thinking. So are you ready to build a rock-solid foundation for your STEM journey? Let's make math work for you. Dive in and let's get started.